In flotation circuits, we often have to deal with a variation in feed grade. If this happens, we need to know how to adjust our flotation circuit to deal with this change. Or we need to know how to adjust our metallurgical accounting expectations to adjust with the change in feed grade. So in exercise 11, we say that the grade of the feed has suddenly dropped. Click on the feed tank icon in Rufferbank 2 and set the new feed grade to 3% valuables. So currently I have 5% valuables in the feed. So when I do a simulation, again I will see a red button and I have a problem in the slow floating ratio. So what this means is that in the slow floating region of the gangue and the mineral, my gangue is actually floating faster than the mineral. So by viewing this graph, we can see that we have a problem here, and that is that after the 10-minute residence time mark, I am not recovering mineral, and the gangue is being recovered at a faster rate. This graph here is very important for a flotation bank, and it is important to be able to do this graph quickly and efficiently. Recovery versus grade graph is also available. In this simulation, I have a grade of 17% and a recovery of 41% and a residence time of 25 minutes. I will make a note that in the base simulation, I have a grade of 17%. This is in the concentrate. If I want to simulate a new feed grade, I have to go into the feed tank and change the percentage of the feed going into the circuit. Here I can choose whether I want to have an element or an actual mineral. It depends on how you view your specific flotation circuit. So after changing this to 3%, I can do a simulation and view the results. So I will still have the problem of the slow floating ratio, where the gangue is floating faster than the mineral. But very importantly here is that I will have a new concentrate grade of 10.8%. So this is much lower than the first simulation. So if you know that you are getting this lower feed grade into your flotation circuit, you will have to either adjust your flotation circuit to increase the residence time, or you need to open an extra flotation cell which you may have on your plant, or you have to change reagents or other variables that you may have. Or if you cannot deal with the change in the feed grade, then you can adjust your metallurgical accounting expectations with this number.